Hey everyone, Steve with SR Fishing, and we're back with another video for you. So on my lunch breaks, I have the ability to go out and fish for a little bit. So I'm going to start a little series. Today is the inaugural episode. I hope you stick around and check it out. Alright, so the spot that we're at today is actually a little river area, and I'm thinking some inline spinners to start with. The water looks fairly clear, so I might tie this little guy on today. There we go. I'm also going to bring with me a chatterbait setup that I have going too, and also a Ned rig presentation. Yeah, so this is our river area here. Fairly clear it looks like. We're going to start with our little inline spinner. Alright, well, we got one problem out of the bottom of the river.
Used to live here where Sutton's house was still there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
That dark blue house.
Okay, yeah.
My dad built that. That's where I grew up.
Oh, wow, okay. A lot of time out here then.
Yeah. When my mom and dad got married and I was just born, there was just a single story brick house on that property.
Okay.
And then my dad built all the rest of it.
Yeah.
Tore
Oh, wow.
down the other house.
So lots of experience out here.
Yeah. Yeah, hunting and fishing, everything.
Yeah.
I used to walk, I walked all the way up along the river and then back down the freeway back to the house.
Okay.
Quite a little jump.
Yeah.
There used to be like a covered wagon in the river here.
Oh, really?
I got snagged on it a few times. They finally pulled it out.
I bet that is something you get snagged on quite a bit.
Yeah. Well, that's where the deep hole was at the time.
Oh, yeah, okay. So now what we're doing is we have the Ned rig that I just threw out there. I'm just kind of letting it flow into current downstream. We'll give it a few pops and then just let it keep going. Really don't want to get snagged on a dock here, so we'll reset it and then do it again. Yeah, it is just such a beautiful and perfect day out here. Just trying to luck in and find the pocket where they may be hiding here. It's kind of nice to do some river fishing. It's not something I do a whole lot of. So I technically actually don't have a lot of stuff for it, as far as gear and setups go. But you know what? We'll use what we do have. Not much action going on right now here. There's a few other gentlemen fishing as well. I've not seen them with anything either. Our time is close to coming to a close for today. I'm going to switch back to the inline spinner here. Alright, so nothing in our first installment of this new series. That I can't remember if I said it in the opening, but this series is going to be called Lunch Break Lippin. We'll try it again next time. Appreciate everyone watching. God bless. And remember to like and subscribe.